Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. For easier access when replacing the left drawer slide rail in your refrigerator, first remove the lower glass shelf. Now fully remove the left side drawer. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the 2 mounting screws, securing the slide rail. Set the old rail aside. Prepare the new drawer slide rail for installation by applying some grease to the inside of the rail. Position the slide rail on the liner, then thread and tighten the mounting screws. Replace the drawer and confirm that it moves freely. Replace the lower glass shelf if applicable.